Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna review free special Dodge vehicles. So first, we got a 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT. Here it is from Hot Wheels Rescue. Front. There we go. Next, we got the 1971 Dodge Charger from Hot Wheels Art Cars. Star. Here's the back. Here is a 1969 Dodge Charger 500 from Hot Wheels Rod Squad. Track star also. So yeah, let's pop them open. First one we're gonna take a look at is this one here. So let's pop it open. Here it is. Wow, hold up. Let's take a closer look at this. So alright guys, here is the car, the Dodge Challenger. Let's put it on here and take a closer look at it. So guys, if you take a look at this car, it has this very nice like ocean kind of blue. The back windshield is orange and all the windows and stuff are all orange too. The wheels have some very nice pearl white. It says Rescue Medic on it. It says EMS. It also has a little like Hot Wheels Hospital logo on it. It has like a little bit of like orange on the hood. Doesn't really go down the whole entire car, but it does say SMM EMS again on it. Has some like gray like painting on the side. It has like no back tampos or even front tampos. No front tampos, no headlights, no nothing. So yeah, there is our Dodge Charger. Next, we're going to take a look at the 71 Charger. Let's take a look at this one. That was a clean opening. Here it is. Wow, look at that gray. Okay, let's put it on here. Take a closer look at this car. So if you take a look at this car, it's got a very nice kind of sparkly gray. The back of the car, it has some chrome. It also has some orange, like, you know, windows, headlights. No, not or it has some like orange windows, and also like, you know, all the windows are orange like the other car we just saw. It says Art Car. The art is spelled, it's like, you know, it's got like a little pierce in it. It's in the word art. It has like a little pierce. It also like says 71 Dodge Challenger on the side of the car. Let's take a look at the top. It says Hot Y Wheels. So yeah, it's got like a pretty cool flame on it. The word arts is in orange. The word cars is in blue. It also says Dodge on the front. There you can see it written in orange. It also has a very nice chrome bumper. It also has some orange chrome rings around the wheels. It also has some white rings around the back of wheels. I like when Hot Wheels like mix like two like wheels of different color on a car, but yeah. I don't know, guys. I'm a little mixed up today. Like, I don't really know what I'm saying. So, yeah. So, guys, here is another car we got. 69. Oh, that was a clean opening. So, let's do this one quickly. Here it is. So, yeah, let's put it on here and take a closer look at it. So, guys, if you take a look at this car, it's got a very nice pearl black. I really do like the headlights of the car. It's pretty nice. Got 4 headlights on the front. I do also like the gray rim caps that the car has. It also has a little like side light tampo and also some door handle tampos. So yeah, here's the car. Oh, it even has some on the side here too. There's no back headlight tampos on the back of the car, and there's no front one. So yeah, pretty cool. Look at the interior. It is gray also. It also says something on the bottom here. I do not know what that says, but yeah. Oh my god, this video is like 4 minutes long. Oh my god, it's pretty long. I don't know, guys. I'm just like have a hiccup right now, so I can't really talk properly. So yeah, guys, here is all the cars that we got. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my other channel, Zamir Gaming 101. But yeah, guys, hope you have a good day. Bye. Okay, now bye.